Accidents in construction are unfortunately common, but many of them are preventable through proper safety measures and training. Here, the most important question is how to prevent accidents, because no one is interested in workplace accidents. The reason is accidents bring destruction, losses, and fatalities. We can prevent accident, but it is only possible when we are aware of the major causes of accidents. In this training session, I'll highlight 15 most common and major causes of construction incidents and accidents. Let's begin. The number one cause of accidents in construction is falls from heights. This is one of the leading causes of construction related injuries and fatalities. It can happen when workers are on scaffolding, ladders, roofs, or elevated surfaces without proper fall protection measures. Number two, struck by objects. Workers can be injured or killed when they are struck by equipment, tools, or materials that are being moved or operated on the construction site. This includes incidents involving cranes, trucks, and falling objects. Number three, caught in or between objects. Workers can be caught in or between heavy machinery or equipment, such as when working in trenches, excavations, or confined spaces without proper shoring or protective measures. Number four, electrical accidents. These can result from contact with live electrical wires, faulty equipment, or improper use of electrical tools. Electrocutions are the significant concern in construction, and this is another a major hazard of fatal incidents. Number five, machinery accidents. Inadequate training or misuse of heavy machinery and equipment like bulldozers, forklifts, and excavators can lead to workplace accidents, and mostly these accidents are fatal. Cause number six, slips, trips, and falls. These are common accidents that can occur due to wet or uneven surfaces, debris, inadequate lighting, or poor housekeeping on the construction site. Point number seven, chemical and hazardous material exposure. Workers may be exposed to hazardous chemicals or materials that can cause injuries, respiratory problems, or long-term health issues. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. Today, we are discussing about the major causes of construction accidents. In other words, you can say the top 15 hazards of construction accidents and incidents. Number 8, fire and explosions. Welding, cutting, and other hot work activities can lead to fires and explosions if not properly managed. Additionally, flammable materials on site can contribute to these incidents and accidents. Point number 9, collapse of structures. Buildings, walls, trenches, and other structures can collapse unexpectedly if they are not properly supported or constructed. This can result in severe injuries or fatalities. Point number 10, overexertion and musculoskeletal injuries. Construction work often involves heavy lifting, repetitive tasks, and awkward postures, which can lead to musculoskeletal injuries and strains. Point number 11, inadequate personal protective equipment, PPE. Failure to wear appropriate PPE such as safety helmets, gloves, safety glasses, and respiratory protection can increase the risk of injuries and incidents. Point number 12, lack of training and supervision. Inexperienced or poorly trained workers as well as inadequate supervision can contribute to accidents on construction sites. Point number 13, communication issues. Dear friends and fellows, miscommunication or lack of clear communication among workers and between workers and supervisors can lead to major accidents. Point number 14, weather related hazards. Adverse weather conditions such as rain, snow, ice, or high winds can create hazardous working conditions and increase the risk of accidents and incidents on construction sites. The last point, point number 15, fatigue. Common in most of the workers, long hours, demanding schedules, and physically demanding work can lead to worker fatigue, impairing judgment and coordination. Once judgment is impaired, coordination is disturbing, and the worker is in stress or fatigue, there is the chance of human error. Ultimately, it leads to a major or a fatal incident or accident. To reduce the risk of accidents in construction, it is crucial for employers and the workers to prioritize safety through proper training, the use of appropriate safety equipment, regular safety inspections, and adherence to safety protocols, standards, and regulations. I hope this information is beneficial if you are able to implement on site as a safety practitioner. Either you are a safety officer or a safety manager. If you find the video was informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. For now, that's all.